build a next big thing, influenced by agentic AI and all that stuff. We're looking at the Bubble application right now, and I'm gonna interact with its database completely via microphone, which is, hey, I want to add Gio from Georgia. He's 39. All right, let's send, and we're gonna make an entry in the database, Geo 39, Georgia. Let's do, I think I was talking the other day to this lead of mine, and I don't want to forget about him, so I think his name was Michael Jordan. He's 45 from United States. Guys, forget about web interactions. Well, do not forget about it. But the whole user experience of the web is changing, and we are experiencing it live. What an amazing time to be alive. And we can experience this on Bubble as well.